What's up YouTube? Darren here from Darren On Demand, coming at you live from Benidorm. Today's video is going to be a video that I actually filmed last summer, and it was me and Claire actually at Poniente Beach in Old Town Benidorm. So let's jump over to the video, have a watch, see what you think. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Darren here from Crew Property Management and Holiday Rentals, coming at you from Poniente Beach in Benidorm. Say hi to Claire. There is Claire. We have walked down to the beach just to see what it's actually like here, and there is actually a lot of people on the beach, but we've come to a quieter side so that we can do a little bit of filming. Views are tremendous. Well, thanks so much, guys, for taking the time to watch my video. You know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.